Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best leather cleaners for car. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, Armor All-Car Interior Cleaner Leather Wipes. Tired of dull, cracked leather in your car? Imagine stepping into a vehicle with showroom-fresh seats. Armor All-Leather Wipes are your secret weapon. Each wipe cleans, conditions, and protects in one step. Special cleansing agents reach deep into the leather grain. They safely remove dirt, grime, and everyday soil. Premium conditioners restore supple feel and natural shine. Powerful blockers guard against stains, cracking, and fading. Perfect for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, any leather interior. Convenient disposable wipes mean no mess or hassle. Moisture lock. Lid keeps wipes fresh for a full year. No more dried out wipes, always ready when you need them. Transform tired leather into a revitalized, luxurious surface. Upgrade your leather care routine. See and feel the difference. Protect your investment. Restore beauty. Drive with pride. Try Armor All Leather Wipes today. Your leather deserves it. Number 4, Meet Mighty Mint Leather Cleaner. Plant-based, peppermint-powered, and proudly American. 16 ounces of eco-friendly muscle for bags, shoes, couches, and car seats. Cleans, hydrates, and conditions. Think spa day for your leather goods. Plant-based ingredients, proven effective, like kale, but for your couch. No dyes, no petroleum, just pure natural shine, minus the drama. Natural peppermint scent, your car smells less like gym, more like fresh mint. Non-toxic formula, safe for kids, pets, and even your clumsiest friend. Spray, wipe, and watch stains vanish like magic, but science-backed. Restores leather's natural glow, your sofa's new Instagram filter. Perfect for eco-conscious folks. Save the planet one boot at a time. Made in the USA, quality you can trust, with a minty twist. Professional strength, but gentle, like a bouncer who hugs. Works on furniture, cars, bags, and shoes. Leather's best friend. Skip the harsh chemicals. Choose plant power for your prized possessions. Mighty Mint, because your leather deserves a fresh, green clean. Try it today. Your nose, sofa, and furry friends will thank you. Number 3, Meet Leather Honey. America's leather cleaner legend since 1968. Non-toxic, fragrance-free, so safe, even your grandma approves. EPA Safer Choice certified, because your couch deserves eco-friendliness. Deep cleans leather, faux, and vinyl, no surface left behind. Removes dirt, oil, and stains faster than you lose your keys. Safe for all colors, even white leather, the drama queen of furniture. Works on car seats, couches, shoes, bags, and even saddles. Tested by leather experts, adored by car and furniture enthusiasts. No scrubbing needed, just wipe, wait, and watch the magic. Made in the USA since bell-bottoms were cool. Extends leather life, because your purse deserves retirement, not replacement. Gentle enough for pet owners, tough enough for muddy paw prints. Safe for people, pets, and your precious leather goods. Not for suede, because even superheroes have limits. Join the cult following. 50 years of leather love can't be wrong. Leather Honey, give your leather the spa day it deserves. Number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Leather Detailer. Think all leather cleaners leave seats greasy or sticky. I'm a professional auto detailer with years of experience. Many products clean, but strip natural oils, leaving leather dry. Others condition but attract dust or leave a slick residue. Your leather needs balanced care, cleaning, conditioning, and protection. That's why I recommend Meguiar's Ultimate Leather Detail. It's a premium 3-in-1 spray, cleans, conditions, and protects. Powerful cleaners lift dirt and grime without harming the leather. Aloe and conditioners restore softness and a supple look. UV blockers and polymers shield against sun damage and fading. The result? Clean, nourished leather with a rich satin gloss. No greasy feel, just a natural, professional finish every time. Watch as I apply it. One spray, quick wipe, instant transformation. Leather looks refreshed, feels soft, and stays protected. Protect your investment. Choose Meguiar's Ultimate Leather Detailer. Try it today for easy, professional-grade leather care at home. Number 1. Weiman Leather Cleaner. Ever notice your leather couch looking dull and worn out? I used to struggle with cracked, faded leather on my favorite chair, shoes, bags, even my car seats. Nothing seemed to keep them fresh. Then I found Weiman Leather Cleaner, Polish, and Conditioner. It's a 3-in-1 formula. Cleans, conditions, and protects in one step. No more juggling different products or spending hours on care. Just spray it on the included microfiber towel and wipe. Instantly, dirt and residue lift off. No harsh scrubbing needed. My sofa regained its softness and shine, looking almost new. Shoes and purses, they're supple with a rich, healthy glow. Best part, it has built-in UV protection to prevent fading. I even use it on my car seats, keeps them smooth and crack-free. One product for all my leather, furniture, car, accessories. And if you want to bring your leather back to life, try Weiman. Trust me, your leather will thank you. Grab yours today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.